Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
What's up, beautiful babes? We are back with another day of Vlogmas day 6. And we're just going to be a little chatty in this one, just catching up on some things. I did show y'all my 35 wonderful kitchen items that's great for Christmas. And as you can see, displayed are those baskets for our veggies and fruits up here on the breakfast bar, which was also featured in the actual video from yesterday, and along with the straw holder and so forth. So yeah.
So today, y'all know I got the new Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oil. I put this on, and y'all, guess what? Dossier is in the house too. I did use their powdery coconut, which is their inspired fragrance. It is inspired by Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. And y'all see, I don't have much left because, girl, I be using this stuff. So this is the scent of the day. Love it.
Hey y'all, this is the time of the year when everybody is going to start feeling a little bit bloated. All of the holiday parties and how we stuff ourselves almost like a turkey, okay? We definitely need to get in the fiber, and I just wanted to make a quick mention about how I got my morning started with my super fiber and greens psyllium husk fiber supplement from Bellway. Bellway is the way. Yes, it is. I do have a code for 25% off. So check it out down below. Sweet Angel 25 is the code. But y'all, don't be walking around feeling all stuffed and bloated. This is a great way to start the morning, and you get your greens in too. How about that?
My famous shrimp tacos, baby. Oh yeah, one day I'm gonna show y'all how to make this, but today I'm just about to eat.
Y'all, I got more Amazon stuff. I don't know if I've shown y'all these or not, but they're just too cute. I did put this in my 35 gift ideas for the kitchen for Christmas, but check it out here.
Okay, y'all, I've gotten influenced again. I bought these, if you recall, these little can glasses, but then since I hate the sound of my glass straw tapping against the glass, what I did was bought the ones with the little tops on them. Oh my gosh, the little wooden tops. Too cute, huh? I was curious to find out if they're the same glasses. I wonder if they are. How does this come out? I don't know. I guess I should take this out first. Oh, well, it's not working out. That's not working out like I thought. Girl, how y'all got these in here? No, they're different. This one is like that, and this one is like that. And these look a little bit bigger, so anywho, so too cute though. That's gonna make a nice iced coffee. Okay, and it also comes with a brush cleaner. The brushes also comes with the brushes and 4 straws. So this is too cute. Oh wow, I'm super excited about this. Yes. Oh, good morning. I forgot to say good morning, or is it afternoon? I don't even know. Girl, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What am I talking about? Just because I don't go to bed till 4 o'clock in the morning and wake up at noon. I'm thinking that everybody has the same damn schedule as me. But that's not the case. Anywho, I'm just going to go ahead and get these out of this box, and we are going to probably fix us an iced coffee today or something, because listen, you can't go buying stuff and don't use it, right? That wouldn't be right. I think that's all that's in here. Is that it? Yes, that's all. So nice. I'm always excited to get my little Amazon packages. Y'all know I'm an Amazon fanatic. Baby. Love it, love it, love it. So nice. My husband is going to totally like ask me, what is wrong with me? Why am I buying all these glasses? Because I want to be fancy, baby. That's too cute. Oh. Oh, that's too cute. Anyway, that's that on that. And since these going to be my little special glasses, I'm going to hide these away up here. So it shouldn't be no problem at all. And when I want to make me a special little sippy sip sip, that's what I reach for. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I think I should go back. Hey, go back there. Let me do you like that. Boom. Boom. No problem. Oh yeah, I love it. I got another one of these plugs here because you can never get enough plugs. You know, in the living room, we are always sitting there either on our computers or on our phones, and we need plugs. So the one that I have in there, well, the wall plug, is so distant from the couch, and since we got the Christmas tree and all that stuff running on the other side, I decided to get one of these, and we're going to mount it on the wall underneath the table discreetly so that we can be on our gadgets. I'm super silly about the stuff that I order. I don't know why, but these are some more Ninja cups here, and I kind of wanted them for the purpose of using them for some of my treatments, but I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I really don't know. I just got an extra cup. So I just store this one away here, and I'll take the other one because it does have the little cleanser thing in it. Yeah. Hopefully it's worth something that it won't tear up easily. I'm already starting off messed up, but I guess that's the way it's supposed to be, so it can actually be tied up. There we go. Cute, huh? So that's to clean out the cups, but I can use it to clean out glasses as well, so perfection. Bada bing. Okay. And I did end up getting another Christmas tree skirt, which I forgot I had ordered because I found a gold one in there, so why am I so busy? All I have to do is check my Amazon list and it'll tell me that I have what I need. And it's a big one though, so I may go ahead and put it on there. Yeah, it's bigger than the other one, so it'll stretch out further. And yeah, put that on there. So that's it for Amazon.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah.
Okay, guys, in the wintertime, the girls come inside. Yes, they do, and they act so crazy when they first get in here. Stop it. Stop it. Put that down. Daddy gonna get you. I don't know why he leaves stuff for you to get. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Hey. Lay down. Sit. Why are you gonna sit over there? Why are you sitting over there? What you got to say to the American people? Hey, Cupcake. Hey, Cookie. Ooh. Hey, Cookie.
Picked up this red sweater off of Amazon. 𝕍𝕃𝕆𝔾𝕄𝔸𝕊. It's a large. I think I should have got an extra large because I really want it to be off the shoulder. It crisscrosses in the front. I really want it to be a little bit more slouchy, but we're going to make it do what it do. It's that time for red, and I am ready to start wearing my red stuff beginning December 1st. And hopefully every time you see me, I'll try. But again, 𝕍𝕃𝕆𝔾𝕄𝔸𝕊. I'll have the link below for y'all. And let you see my outfit of the day when I get ready to rock it.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing